Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to play two-player COP in Minecraft on PS5. Take your second controller, now press the PlayStation button from it. Press and hold the button until it connects to the PC5. Now select the profile. Now open the Minecraft game, then click on play. Now click on my world. Now press the X button from the controller. Now press options button from the controller. Now take your first player control. Press the options button from it. Then go to settings. Now scroll down to video. From the right side, go to split screen. Then select it as vertical. Press the start button from the controller, then go to settings, then go to game, then from the right side go to world options, then turn on show coordinates. By following the steps, you can play two-player COP in Minecraft on PS5.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.